as free as a bird, broken winged on the ground. No song to be heard, it's always drowned out. I'm as free as the bird, broken winged on the ground. I can try to fly, but my storms keep me down. I am a fighter, I fought all my life. I've stood my ground just to survive. And wherever I've stood on my own. Wherever I've been left alone. So I set a course to get lost at sea, to learn from the storms that rage within me. When I found you, you were drifting like me, lost within your own stormy sea. And I'll admit, though I was afraid, it was your storms that gave me the reasons to stay. So I sat waiting just so you weren't alone. And we eventually one day will find a way home. You're as free as a bird, broken winged on the ground. No song to be heard, it's always drowned out. You're as free as the bird, broken winged on the ground. You can try to fly, but your storms keep you down. We are survivors, it's just what we do. You got my back, and I'll have yours too. And when the rain pours, we'll get wet together. We'll stand strong and hard no matter the weather. My storms are dark, unforgiving and cruel, as your oceans are a deep and merciless pool. Thunder and lightning, the crash of the waves, our own intimate dangerous hurricane. I found you here floating, but you also found me, but drifting detached, gone and lost to the breeze. And our storms keep us down, but won't tear us apart. And when trying to fly, the ground's the best place to start. We're as free as the birds, broken winged on the ground. No song to be heard, it's always drowned out. We're as free as the birds, broken winged on the ground. We can try to fly, but the storms keep us down.